We got invited to go sailing. Today is prime time. I'm excited. After all that sanding, all that fairing, all that prep work, I finally get to do a little bit of painting. I wish there was a little button telling me I was recording, because I would screw this up. Yep, I'm recording. Alright. I'm mixing up the primer. I'm using the Awlgrip system. It's the 545. Got the actual primer, got the converter, and then the reducer. I had to make sure that it was mixed up right because it's been sitting. So it took about 20 minutes to get it all mixed up correctly. But I'll be mixing it 1-to-1 and then probably about 10% of the reducer. But I'm a little gun shy on actually painting because this little kit right here is like $200 to $300, probably more like $300. So, you know, I don't want to screw anything up. Mixing up another batch, letting it sit. It's gotta be induced. I think it's called induced. But a few things that I noticed. It's funny how you notice what you did wrong when you start painting. You can see all the imperfections. And definitely needed to do a little bit more fairing. There's a lot of crazing, a lot of gaps, a lot of spots I missed. In Florida we have a couple seasons of love bugs. These little black, slow, fat bugs. They call them love bugs because they attach together and they just float around together. But they're all over this boat right now. Just, I don't know if it's the chemicals, they're attracted to the smell. They're just landing in this wet paint. I'm like, oh man, this is killing me. But oh well, what are you gonna do? I'll pick them out once it dries. Probably have to sand their little body prints down.
1, 2, 3.
Now that all the sanding's finally done, I get to move on to putting on the top coat. I'm using the Awlgrip again, and I highly recommend using it. It's a little expensive, but it's definitely worth it. I decided to go with the roll-on, roll-off method. Take 2 foam rollers, soak one in paint, roll it on the area you want to paint, then take the other roller and lightly get paint on it, and go over the area you just painted, making sure to eliminate any bubbles. It's a really good method and looks like you sprayed the paint on, unless it rains. No! So we're right here, Fort Pierce. I've been painting and unfortunately got rained on.
But thankfully the rain didn't stop him. Once it stopped, he finished up and it looks amazing. I'm so proud of him and he gets so many compliments. Now that Saoirse's top paint was all finished, we decided to head down to the beach and do one of our favorite pastime, Acroyoga. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in next week as we give Saoirse a brand new spanking red bottom. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next week.